1:01 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Cub Creek Burn Scar in north central Okanogan County in north central Washington until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:01 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Cub Creek Burn Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the Cub Creek Burn Scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Cub Creek Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Falls Creek Campground, Chewich Campground, Flat Campground, Camp 4 Campground, Nice Campground, Memorial Campground, Rough Grouse Campground, Honeymoon Campground, and Andrews Creek Campground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanogan, Washington,